We tell people.
Yes, obviously.
That the type of church that you attend.
Yes.
We determine the type of testimonies they share there.
Yes.
You go to some churches, they don't stress you.
Yes.
2 minutes, you're out of there. Praise the Lord, I got a car last week.
Yeah.
Praise the Lord, I got visa last week.
Yeah.
Praise the Lord, I came to church, God protected me. Straight to the point, and you're out of the faces of people. But I don't know if you have ever gone to a church where they will tell him, Mama, to share testimonies. Every mama is always very unique.
Yes.
Even the way mama's drop offering is different from the way other people drop offering.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah, quickly.
If you want to drop offering in some type of churches, the pastor will be standing on the altar like this. Please, can you just give me a bit of praise and worship? Get it. Something like that.
Track 4. Yes.
The offering box is there. The young guys in church, they don't dance. They walk to the offering box and drop the offering. It's not like churches that they'll be passing baskets. The guys will be doing like this. And there we go. The next set of people are the young girls. They want to drop offering. Even before the song starts, they are dancing. They will drop the offering and they will go. Daddies, those around 50 and 60, they don't stress themselves. They will drop the offering and they will go. But mamas, they take their time. They don't care the number of people behind them. They are always very slow. The queue will be piling up. They are not concerned. This is the offering box. The people behind them are saying, "No, I'll show." You will think they are about to drop it. You just see something like this. Put your hands together.
Put your hands together. So if you want to give testimony, very short, Mama, you have 2 minutes. Tell us what God has done for you quickly.
Ìṣẹ́jú mélòó?
Ìṣẹ́jú méjìlá fún yín láwọn.
Kò sí yọnu.
No problem.
Ṣé mo lè fẹ́ bó?
No, mommy, I'm asking you, but ẹ̀sán nǹkan tó Olúwa ṣe fún yín mà, please. Don't speak English, please.
Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ ṣé. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ ṣé o.
Mommy, ẹ̀sán nǹkan tó Olúwa ṣe fún yín. Tell us what God has done for you.
Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
Mama wants to thank God.
Nítorí wípé kí ni o?
Because.
Ẹ bá mi ra bàbá fọ́ọ̀bà òkú.
Mommy, ẹ máa rá bàbá after the service. Ẹ̀sán nǹkan tó Olúwa ṣe fún yín.
Àwọn ekulé mi ni o.
The rats in her house.
Ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ti sú mi.
She's tired of the rats.
Kò sí nǹkan tó kì í jẹ.
There is nothing they don't eat.
Gbogbo ọ̀nà ni wọ́n ti jẹ tán.
They have eaten things in the house.
Èyí tó dùn mí jù.
What surprised her?
Ni pé wọ́n jí àwọn pépà kan.
They ate some of the papers in her house.
Àṣẹ sàtífíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ọmọ mi wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Not knowing that her son's certificate is inside the paper that they ate.
Mo ṣàdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
We thank God
pé wọ́n jẹ́ tán.
that they did not finish eating the papers. Mommy, kí lẹ sọ ma?
Wọ́n jẹ́ tán.
Okay, so kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ ma?
Orúkọ rẹ̀ àti orúkọ school náà wọ́n jẹ́ kú ọ̀n
They
bẹ́ẹ̀.
heard the name of the school and the name of the boy.
Praise the Lord.
Kí ló fẹ́ fi ṣe? Mommy, please ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ lọ jókòó ma.
Ẹ má bínú ó tún kù kan.
Remaining one small testimony.
Ẹ bá mi ra bàbá.
Mommy, ẹ máa rá bàbá after the service. Ẹ̀sán kan tó Olúwa ṣe fún yín kò sáyè.
Mélòó.
Mommy, Ọlọ́run kọ́ ló nìyẹn, Ọlámídé ló kọ́. Ẹ̀sán kan tó Olúwa ṣe fún yín. Ẹ̀sán kan tó Olúwa ṣe fún yín.
Mama mi ṣe jí mi nù.
Her son woke her up.
Ó ní mama.
He said, Mommy,
ẹ fún mi nọ́mbà
He
méjì.
said, give me 2 numbers.
Mo sọ pé nọ́mbà
He was asking, what
bò.
kind of numbers are you asking for?
Mo ṣáà fún ní wọ́n.
She now gave him 1
Àti 9.
and 9.
Àṣẹ nọ́mbà bàbá Àjẹ̀bú.
Not knowing that was Baba Jebu's number
Lọ́wọ́
that he
béèrè
gave.
lọ́wọ́.
That the boy came to ask for her.
Ọlọ́run ṣáà ti ṣe.
God has done
Ó
it.
jẹ́.
The boy ate.
Àǹkárá tí pásítọ̀ wọ̀.
The Ankara that Pastor Shegun wore.
Owó náà
It
mẹ́ra.
was, Kí lẹ sọ?
Praise the
It was the
Lord.
money that she used to buy it. Yeah. Mọ́mí ẹjọ́ lọ jókòó.
Ẹ má bínú ó tún kù kan.
Remaining one small testimony.
Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ ṣé. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ ṣé
Mọ́mí,
o.
ẹsẹ̀ kan tó ló wá ṣe fún yín kò sáyè.
Ọkọ mi ni o.
Her husband,
Ó ti lè mú tíjù.
he drinks a lot.
Gbogbo àdúgbò ti mọ̀.
Everybody in the
Ó
area
ti
knows
lè
it.
mú tíjù.
He drinks a lot.
Small stout mẹ́fà ló máa mú.
He takes 6 small stouts every day.
Small stout mẹ́fà.
6 small stouts.
Àṣà bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwẹ̀.
She now started fasting
Àti àdúrà.
and praying.
Ọlọ́run ṣáà ti ṣe.
God has done it.
I know the dengue.
Mọ́mí, ẹ̀sán kan tó ló wá ṣe fún yín. Ọlábìlẹ̀ náà ló kọ́. Àbíta ló kọ́.
Mo
Ẹ̀sán
ṣáà
kan.
máa ń gbọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan mi ò mọ ibi tó ti wá.
Mọ́mí, ẹ̀sán kan tó ló wá ṣe fún yín.
Tó Ọlọ́run ṣáà ti ṣe.
God has done it.
Ẹni tó máa mu small stout mẹ́fà
Somebody that
tẹ́lẹ̀.
used to take 6 small stouts.
Big stout mẹ́ta ló
He
mú
takes 6
sí.
men.
Praise the Lord.
Mọ́mí ẹjọ́ lọ jókòó, please go and sit down, please. Please go and sit down. Ṣé testimony nìyẹn? Kí ni yàtọ̀?
Ẹ má bínú ó tún kù kékeré.
Remaining one small testimonies. Mọ́mí ṣe ń ronú testimony ni. Ẹjọ́ ẹ lọ jókòó.
Ẹ má bínú ó tún kù kan.
Remaining one small testimony.
Orin tí mo fẹ́ kọ ni mo ń rò. Tí bá ní kí n kárí Olúwa ilẹ̀ aṣọ.
Mọ́mí ilẹ̀ ti ṣú.
Ó ti mú mi gbàgbé.
Mọ́mí ẹ má lọ gbàgbé nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ o. Tell us what God has done for you, Mọ́mí. Ẹ má ní kí n parọ́ mọ́ yín.
Mo wọ kìsì.
Mọ́mí entered the kitchen.
Mo rẹ́fọ́.
She saw some dry leaves.
Mo sọ pé irú ẹ̀fọ́ wo
She was
lèyí.
asking what kind of dry leaf is
Wọ́n
it.
ṣáà mix ẹ̀ bákan.
It was mixed.
Mo rí àwọn ẹ̀fọ́ onígi.
She saw some dry leaf with
Mo rí
sticks.
àwọn ẹ̀fọ́ kan tó dá dúró.
She saw some leaves that was
Wọ́n
standing.
sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣáàgbẹ́.
So they were all dry.
Mo ṣáà ṣe báyìí.
She did it like this.
Mo fi sókè.
She does it.
Bí mo ṣe yí mẹ́kù sínú.
She used the dry leaves to cook egusi soup.
Àṣẹ́gbọ́n ni.
Not knowing that was in there.
Èèyàn méjì wá bẹ̀ wá wò.
2 people came to visit us.
Landlord wá bẹ̀ wá
One
wò.
of our landlord came to visit us.
Òun náà mẹ́sẹ̀ wọn lálejò.
She used it to pay the landlord a visit.
Kódà fùfú mẹ́fà àwọn
He
èjẹ.
had 6 fufus. Mọ́mí ẹ sọ nǹkan tó ló wá ṣe fún yín.
Bí landlord ṣe fún mi ní rìsíìtì ọdún mẹ́rin ọ̀fẹ́ nù.
And landlord just gave us 6 years. Landlord he gave her a receipt for a house for 4 years. All front.
Èmi náà tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ń bẹ̀.
She ate a little from the egusi
Mi ò ní
soup.
parọ́ pé mo jẹ́ díẹ̀ mẹ́.
She ate a little from the egusi soup.
Bí mo ṣe fi rìsíìtì ràkàrà ọ̀yẹ́ mi.
And she used the receipt to buy akara, she doesn't know.
Praise the Lord.
Mọ́mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ lọ jókòó.